Mastering modesty, understanding, toot one's own horn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as quirky as it is common: toot one's own horn. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression. The phrase, toot one's own horn, is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is bragging or boasting about their own achievements. Imagine someone playing a horn to announce their arrival or success. It's a metaphor for drawing attention to one's own accomplishments. However, it's often used in contexts where such self-promotion might not be viewed positively. While the exact origins of toot one's own horn are a bit murky, it's believed to stem from the days when town criers or heralds would use horns to grab people's attention before making announcements. Over time, this act of using a horn to draw attention has evolved into a metaphor for self-promotion. Using toot one's own horn in conversation is simple. It can be used both negatively and humorously to comment on someone's behavior. For example, in a negative context, he's always tooting his own horn, barely acknowledging the team's effort. In a humorous or light-hearted context, I don't usually toot my own horn, but I did an amazing job on this project. It's important to note that attitudes towards self-promotion vary widely across cultures. In some cultures, modesty is highly valued, and tooting one's own horn might be frowned upon. In others, self-confidence and assertiveness are encouraged. Understanding the cultural context is key to using this phrase appropriately. And there you have it. Toot one's own horn is a colorful way to describe self-promotion, whether it's done with a sense of pride or a touch of boastfulness. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but also about understanding the stories and nuances behind them. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!